right. Today I am going to discuss about the solitary cyme. Solitary cyme. So, in solitary cyme, it is the one type of cymose inflorescence. One type of cymose inflorescence. Okay, now in a solitary cyme and inflorescence with a single flower is called solitary cyme. Okay, now. So, actually in cymose inflorescence, what is the growth of peduncle? The growth of peduncle is definitely. Growth of peduncle is definitely. What is that definitely peduncle means? The peduncle is end with one flower, that is called definitely. And in this solitary cyme, it is the simplest type of cymose inflorescence. It is the simplest type of cymose inflorescence. Okay. So, next in this solitary inflorescence, there is no any type of arrangement and opening of flowers. Okay, na? So, this is the characters of solitary cyme. So, in solitary cyme, it is one type of cymose, and inflorescence with a single flower is called solitary cyme. It is the simplest type of cymose inflorescence. There is no any arrangement of arrangement and opening of flowers. So, this is the characters of solitary cyme. For example, hibiscus. In hibiscus, solitary flowers are at the axillary infiltration. So, this is the hibiscus. In hibiscus, solitary flowers are originate at the axillary position. So, this is the solitary inflorescence. So, this is the stem and this is the leaf. This is the at the axil of leaf one flower is formed. This is the entire one flower. This is a single flower inflorescence is called solitary cyme. So, at the axil of leaf one flower is originated. Okay, na? So, this structure is called stalk of the flower. So, in this stalk of the hibiscus flower is differentiated into the two main parts. This is the pedicel part, this is the peduncle. So, in a stalk of the hibiscus flower, it is differentiated into the two main parts. This part is called pedicel, and above the pedicel a small swollen like structure is there. This is called peduncle. On the peduncle the single solitary cyme is present. Solitary cyme inflorescence is present. Here only single flower is there. This is entire single flower. So that's why this is called solitary cyme. Solitary cyme. So this entire inflorescence is called single flower on the peduncle. On the peduncle. Here, what is the growth of the peduncle? Definitely means the peduncle is terminate with flower. The peduncle is terminate with flower, that is called definitely. Okay, na? So this is the solitary cyme. Solitary cyme example, that is the hibiscus. In hibiscus, solitary flowers are at the axillary infusation. And one more example is there, that is the datura and gossypium. Datura and gossypium. So these two flowers in a datura, datura is nothing but a thorn apple. It is the scientific name of thorn apple, and gossypium is nothing but the scientific name of the cotton. If you observe the cotton flowers and the thorn apple flowers, that is a solitary inflorescence, solitary cyme. In the solitary cyme, solitary flowers are originate at the terminal infusation. So that is the characters of the solitary cyme in datura and gossypium. Okay, na? So this is the brief explanation about the solitary cyme. So solitary cyme is observed in hibiscus. In hibiscus, solitary flower is at the axillary infusation. In datura and gossypium, the solitary flowers are at the terminal infusation. So these are the characters of the solitary cyme.